Hello, good morning dear students. Today we are learning about maximum speed of vehicle at top of convex bridge. As long as the rotational dynamics is concerned, this is the lecture number 10, and in this lecture this is the last lecture consulting with horizontal circular motion and vertical circular motion, dear students. Okay, so maximum speed of vehicle at top of convex bridge. What is the maximum speed at top? So that vehicle can safely driven over the top side of the convex bridge. That formula we want to calculate. See here, I have drawn a diagram. In this diagram, the vehicle is at top initially. Two forces are acting on the vehicle, that is given by weight of the vehicle W is equal to mg acting vertically downward. Simultaneously at the same time, normal reaction acting vertically upward. Okay, these are the two forces, they are acting in opposite directions, and so that resultant of these two forces is nothing but the centripetal force for circular motion. So what is the resultant force? Resultant force is nothing but the subtraction of W and N. The magnitude of the W is somewhat larger than magnitude of N. Then and then only it is possible to have a satisfactory centripetal force. This is the most important thing that I have written here. Two forces are acting on the vehicle, that weight of the vehicle W mg acting vertically downward and normal reaction acting vertically upward. So resultant of these two forces, I will repeat again, the resultant of these two forces acts as a centripetal force which is acting vertically downward so as to get circular motion for the vehicle safely driven along a convex bridge. So what is that centripetal force? That is nothing but what? Mg. That is nothing but what? Mg minus N is equal to mv square upon r. The formula of centripetal force is nothing but mv square upon r. That is a formula that we get here. When the vehicle moves from bottom to top, listen carefully dear students, when vehicle moves from bottom to top, at that time the magnitude of normal reaction goes on decreasing. Very important sentence. I will repeat again. When vehicle moves from bottom to top, at that time normal reaction acting on the vehicle goes on decreasing, and at a particular maximum speed of a vehicle, normal reaction at top is approximately equal to 0, not equal to 0, approximately equal to 0 at a particular maximum speed of the vehicle at top of convex bridge, so as to maintain satisfactory contact between wheel and surface of convex bridge. If the speed becomes greater than certain maximum speed, then there may be a possibility of vehicle jumping from the surface of a convex bridge. So adjust the maximum speed of the vehicle in such a way that there is a satisfactory contact between vehicle and surface of a convex bridge at top. This is the most important concept. And at that maximum speed, normal reaction acting on the vehicle is not exactly equal to 0, approximately equal to 0. And at that time, speed of the vehicle is maximum speed, V max. So, by putting, instead of V, we put V max, and instead of capital N, we put 0 in above equation. We got what here? Mg minus 0, by putting N is equal to 0, we get Mg minus 0 is equal to Mv square max upon capital R, where capital R is nothing but the radius of curvature of this convex bridge. At a particular maximum speed that I have written here, at a particular maximum speed V max of the vehicle at top of convex bridge, capital N is approximately equal to 0, provided that there is a safe contact with the convex bridge. This is the most important. If the speed of the vehicle is greater than maximum velocity, then there is a possibility of the vehicle jumping from the top surface. It not remain in contact with the convex surface of convex bridge. That is important thing, dear student. So here, by putting N is equal to 0 and instead of V, we can write V square max. We will get what? This M and this M get cancelled and we get V square max is equal to GR. So, V max is equal to square root of GR. So, this is the maximum safe velocity at top of convex bridge so as to maintain satisfactory contact between vehicle and surface of the convex bridge. So, this is the relation. This is the maximum speed V max of vehicle at top of convex bridge. So, there may be a possibility of asking the question that derive an expression for the maximum speed of vehicle at top of convex bridge. So, we get formula V max is equal to square root of GR. This is a very similar expression we got as long as the vertical circular motion is concerned at top. At that time also, during the vertical circular motion, maximum velocity at top we got is V max is equal to square root of GR. The same condition arises here, because when the vehicle is moving from bottom to top and again from top to bottom, there is an example of vertical circular motion. So, maximum speed at top of convex bridge so that vehicle can satisfactorily move along the curved surface of convex bridge without jumping or maintaining satisfactory contact between vehicle and surface of convex bridge to get V max is equal to square root of GR. So, in this way we have finished this article and we will stop here. Okay, goodbye.